Hey guys, this is Mike's Life. Right here we have a 2014 F-150 5.0, the Coyote engine. We're going to be installing the CS2 by Evolution. Technically I already had it installed. I'm just doing an update now. See, I tow, I have two boats I tow, so I'll be doing the update and whatnot. So far from the updates, I've ran the economy tune, and that seems to help with the gears. It's just a lot smoother at a lower RPM. Now if you're looking for power, it does have power. Now in here, when you're updating it, says updates are available for this device. This process can take a while. During the download from our computers, you will be able to cancel. But once the update starts, sending files to your device will have to allow it to complete. This I will be selecting yes. Just allow it to download the firmware. So I will keep you updated as soon as this is done. That way we could do the install. So far, just being on YouTube, I've only seen, certain channels do this. I've never seen it from a personal vlogging. All right, guys. So the update was completed. Took about a good 25 minutes. Not too bad. I'm gonna finish this. Press OK to disconnect. All right. Disconnected. So what we're gonna do now is says you may now disconnect your device. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna disconnect the device. I actually have everything connected right here. You're gonna see it right now. The cord already ready to go. So hands free. And then what I do, I just put it up here. All right. Decompressing files. So I already have everything ready to go. All right, gives you the option. Obviously I'm a Ford, so select Ford. Make sure ignition is in the on or run position. You selected Ford, is this correct? Arrow for yes, home for no. That's gonna be a yes. Reading files, it's gonna do its own thing. Like I said, so anytime that you guys need to update this device and your vehicle's already left on, say, economy or tow or performance tune, you got to convert your vehicle back to stock. Then connect this device onto your laptop, run the updates and whatnot. And press the home button. And then go to programming. That's where your tunes are going to be. We're going to select economy. And then it's going to give us a prompt on what to do. Fuel economy program, 87 plus octane gas is required. Already have that in there. Arrow for yes. Turn ignition off, then enter to continue. Went ahead, turned it off. We're going to go ahead and press enter. Turn ignition on without starting the engine. Now, this is where you be careful. You turn it on. However, if you do press the enter button, if you notice I didn't press anything, it will pause and you'll have to start the process over again. Now, it's setting up the economy tune. We're going to get tons of alerts right here on your dash. The radio will be converted to KHZ or AM radio. This is where it asks, create a custom program. This is going to be a no. We're not creating a custom program. I do not know how to do that yet, and I'd rather, you know, pay someone else to do it. So it says turn on without starting the engine. That's already turned on. Go ahead and press enter, turn ignition off, then proceed. Press enter to continue. I kind of slowed down around here because it's going to prompt me to turn it back on. And it will, watch, as soon as I turn the ignition on, it will automatically catch it. So now it's going to set this up. This is my dash. All right, please wait, programming, ECM. Now, in the video description, I will leave the URL, the website information. Anybody that's interested in this, me just running off the economy, I've noticed at least a 2 mile per gallon increase, I would say. And that's just driving on the street. Now on the freeway, it's about anywhere from 7 miles per gallon increase. It's not too bad. I only got this to tow, so I'm waiting for boat season to start so I can go ahead and do that. But who knows, I might just bring out the little boat and tow and upload a video on here. Also tomorrow, the next day, I will be trying to upload a video, that way you guys could see what I have on my F-150. All right, so you're gonna hear, see this go a little crazy. It's gonna say remove the key from the ignition. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the key. It says press enter to continue. All right, program complete. And it says current level 1, which is gonna be economy. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and start this. So after that, I like waiting about a good several minutes. I'm not gonna put you guys through the pain of that, but there it is. That's pretty much it. Let me get my radio back onto something worth understanding. All right, so that's the economy tune, and I'll be doing a video a little bit later, listening to a little bit of journey. But see you guys on the next episode.